guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another nail video for you and I'm using the Mia Secret Fruity collection. Those are the three colours that I'm using. I'm also going to be using these decals from the Queen of Decals, or the Decal Queen, whatever it said. You saw it on that wrapping. But yes, I'm working on Sarah today. And I'm very excited to be using these colours. They are amazing. I've got like quite a few videos filmed. I'm trying to get more videos up every week for you guys. If I could do a video a day, I totally would. I'm just not sure if I can quite manage one video a day, but we're gonna see what we can do, guys. So yes, I'm just going to let you guys sit back and watch this. If you would like to see this video in full, completely raw and not edited, I did film this live and it is on my second channel, which is SJTV Live. I will try and leave a link around here somewhere for you if you did want to go and check that video out. Definitely go and subscribe to that channel because I do live videos on there very, very regularly. And yes, of course, there was going to be a bit of marble going on with this set because pretty much every set I do has marble in it. But yes, I'm going to let you guys watch and I hope you enjoy it. If you would like to buy any of the things that I'm using in this video, they will be on my website and I'll try and leave some links somewhere. So I did actually decide to apply the decal on the nail, like on the acrylic, so it's just in the water there. And it did work, but I'll just say you do lose a little bit of the colour when you do that. Obviously the monomer kind of reacts with the paper and it can kind of fade it, so I definitely would say once you get it on, try and make sure you can cap it all in one go. I mean, it did work, but you lose some of the quality of the decal, I think. The other option is what most people would do is to just finish file the nail, put a top coat on and then apply into the sticky layer and then top coat over the top of the decal. But yeah, I wanted to try something different and I do like the look of things when they are encapsulated. So yep, I'm just gonna apply the decals to the two nails and then cap. I did all my regular filing routine, shaped it, and then obviously contoured and went over the top and smoothed it all out. Once I did all the smoothing and I buffed over, wipe over with a little bit of acetone to get rid of any dust and to smooth it out just a little bit. I'm then going in with my COLECTION top coat, which is very much nearly running out now, you guys. So you're probably going to be seeing different top coats. But yeah, I'm just going to go over with my COLECTION top coat and then cure. So the ladies who are watching this video did decide that we needed a little bit of bling. So I decided to go with some crystals. I'm using my Mia Secret glue, which you can get from the website. And I'm just going in with these purpley crystals. And yeah, I'll just let you watch me apply the crystals. Just that's a little bit of bling bling, you know what I'm saying? I decided to just go over the nails with the bling on with a no wipe top coat, just for a little bit extra security and a little bit more shine. So I went in with a blue sky no white top coat and then cured. I then put a little bit of cuticle oil on. I'd already done all the wiping off beforehand, before the crystals, and this is it, you guys. This is the finished result. I really hope you guys like this video. If you did manage to see the live, then thank you so much for joining, and make sure you join all my future lives. And obviously then on this channel we will edit, well, I will edit the videos for you guys, so you can see like the edited version of it. It's just a lot easier to watch back rather than a live video if you do miss it in live time. So this is the end, this is the finished result. They're not my favourite set I've ever done, but I do like them. I love this Mia Secret Fruity collection, and yes. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please do make sure that you are subscribed and join our cute little nail, beauty, hair, everything channel over here, if that makes any sense whatsoever. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you so much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!